Today we're using the Sweet Surrender palette by Louise. This is a Chocolate Heaven palette. Honestly, it's stunning. And we're just going with this dark shade here called Piece of Heaven, and we're just putting this all over our eyelids. I have put some Plouise Base down, so that is what's going to make this eyeshadow pop. Now this is my first fall look, so I wanted to go in with all the oranges and the browns. So we're just taking this Toffee Twist shade, which is like a deep orange brown, and we're just blending that into the previous shade that we've just put down. Now I'm just blending this out. You can blend it out as much as you want. I was just going for a really deep, dark, smoky, grungy eye today. So now we're going to end with the shade What's Up Sugar, which is this deep dark brown, and we're just gradually blending that into the eyelids, and we're just gradually darkening this eye look up. Now I'm just going to end with the Bonnie Blur foundation, and this one is in the shade BB14. It's not my perfect shade, but when I'm tanned and stuff it's absolutely fine. But I love the coverage on this foundation because it is so full, and it's an absolute flawless foundation. Honestly guys, if you haven't tried it, you need to try the Bonnie Blur foundation. It's amazing. Now I'm just going to with a little bit of the Nars Concealer, and we're just kind of highlighting with this, and we're taking some Gimme Sun from Dollie Beauty, and we're just going in with the cream contour. This one is in the shade Medium Deep, I believe, and we're just blending all this in. I'm using the Peaches little blending brush for this. It's double-sided and it's absolutely fantastic. Then I'm just going back and forth with my sponge again, making sure that everything's nice and blended. Then we're just going over top of all that with our powders. So we're just going with the Peaches and Cream setting powder, and I'm just using my little H&B powder puff with that, and we are just blending that under the eyes and kind of in the T-zone area. Then we're just taking some Peaches bronzer, and we're just bronzing up the cheeks a little bit. Now I'm just putting on a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to apply these lashes. These are by Lily White Cosmetics, and they are in the style Paris. Then I did take this, is it Dynasty eyeliner by Peaches and Cream, and there's nothing wrong with this, it just looked a little bit too red, so I switched it out for a different shade and used Antique Bronze by Fine Cosmetics, and it just looked so much better. So that is the eyeliner that I'm using here. Then I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Now we're just going in with the Pretty Fly powder from Dollie Beauty, and we're just applying this to our cheeks. I believe this one is called Beach Please. Now I'm just going in with this lip liner called Diva Forever by Dollie Beauty as well, and we're just lining the lips. Then we are taking Dollie Beauty's Come to Mama lipstick in the nude range, and we're just applying this to the lips. This is the lip combo. I'm also applying this little lip paint by Louise. I got it in the budget box, so I thought I would just add a little bit of this to the centre as well. This definitely made it a lot more matte looking. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you love it. This is the first of the fall grungy, smoky autumnal looks.